Hi, I'm Dan Logan from Applied Education. I'm going to take you through how to calculate PAYG for an individual in Australia. So to find out the current ATO tax rates, the easiest thing to do is go to Google and type in PAYG ATO tax rates. And we just hit enter, and you should see coming up in the first couple of hits is the individual income tax rates, and we'll click on that link. And on the ATO's website, if we go down to residents there, we can see the tax rates for 2015-16. Of course, you may have to have a different rate depending on what year you're looking for. And again, the ATO publish the previous year's rates on their website. Okay, let's work out now what the tax rates actually are. So I've copied that table into Microsoft Excel, and let's start working through them. In Australia, if you're a resident for tax purposes, the first 0 to 18,200 that you earn, you pay no tax on. The income between $18,200 and $37,000, we pay tax at 19 cents in the dollar for every dollar in that band. Between $37,000 and $80,000, the rate is 32.5 cents in the dollar. Now this 3572, if we multiplied 19 cents by the difference between 37 minus 18,200, you would see that that would equal 3572. So between 37 and 80 grand, we're paying tax at 32.5 cents in the dollar or percent. Between 80 and 180, 37 cents in the dollar. Now, if someone was earning, say, $79,000 and they got a pay increase to $84,000, it's only the band, the 4,000 that's in that band that would be taxed at the higher rate. So the first part is taxed at the lower rate of 32.5%. Over $180,000, and they're taxed at 45 cents in the dollar for every dollar over 180k. Now, what we haven't included there is a 2% Medicare levy. Now, regardless of income, we all pay 2% on every dollar earned, although there is a shade-in period for low-income earners, so someone earning, say, $10,000 in actual fact won't have to pay the Medicare levy, but someone on, say, $100,000 income would pay 2% on the whole lot. Also, there's a budget repair levy in 2015-16 and 16-17 that anyone earning over $180,000 pays an additional 2% on the amounts over $180,000. So let's now put that into practice and do a calculation. Let's say we have someone earning $70,000. So what we calculated is someone earning 70k is in this 37 to 80k band. So the first part of tax they pay is the 3572, remember, in that band. Then they're going to pay 32.5% on the bits over 37 to 80k. So what we need to work out, of course, is $70,000 minus $37,000, which leaves us with $33,000 to be taxed at that 32.5 bracket. So 33,000 multiplied by 32.5 cents is $10,725. Now I'll just format that to cents, dollars and cents. So there we have the tax in that band at 32.5 cents, sorry, in that band. Next, we have the Medicare levy. Now remember, the Medicare is 2% on their total salary. So 2% of 70 grand, 1,400. So somebody earning 70 grand would pay 15,697 in tax at year end. Now we haven't taken into account things like family tax benefit, other rebates that they may be entitled to, tax deductions and so on. So this is just a guide. If we wanted to work that out weekly, and again, divide it by roughly 52, you would see there that they'd earn about $13.46 per annum and PAYG withheld of $301. This person, because they didn't earn over 180k, well, they don't have to pay the budget repair levy. If you need more information, go onto the ATO's website, download the ATO's tax withheld calculator, or visit us at appliededucation.edu.au, and you can see our full payroll course online, where we'll explain this in much better detail.